Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high. Plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is courage. Courage. Stand up and be counted, Libra. It's a lot of things looking you in the eye. Fear, doubt, courage, discouragement. But I need you to be bold, stand up, show out, and be the strong person and energy that you've always been, because you come too far to stop now to let anything dim your light or back you down. I'm stronger than any fear and any doubt. Look it in the eye, I guarantee they both run away and cower, and then you continue on your path to greatness. I am light. I remain light because you're confident. Confidence is key. Consistent confidence every day in yourself. Why not? You're one on one, you're original, and you're blessed. God is on your side, you have victory. So why not continue to walk in that confidence? I trust in God, and I stand tall before the test of life. I grow and become wiser through every challenge, and I become a new being of life. Wiser, stronger. When you're wiser, you're stronger, therefore you're ready for more blessings, bigger blessings. Blessings carry their own weight, just like negative energy. But if you put in the work, it'll feel like a feather and not like a ball and chain. Rain, sleet, or snow, you're ready for a multitude, a plethora of blessings. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.